call me Cuba Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Christian's Kitchen. I'm very excited about today's episode because we're making one of my favorite sandwiches, the Cubano sandwich. And for those of you that don't know, that usually consists of roasted pork, smoked ham, Swiss cheese, dill pickles, and mustard all smushed together in a panini press. And don't worry, if you don't have a panini press at home, I have a little secret tip to share with you guys, so let's jump right in. This recipe requires a lot of time and flavor, so let's make sure we have both. For the marinade, we will need equal parts of black pepper, ground cumin, and oregano, as well as 2 cups of lime juice, 1/4 cup of garlic, and some salt. Stir to combine and set aside. Next, we will be scoring the meat 3 times both on the top and bottom to ensure full flavor and that it is cooked all the way through. Season generously with salt and pour in the marinade. And marinate overnight for 8 to 10 hours. This next part is optional, however, I will be adding some dry rub seasoning as well to make sure my pork has the most flavor as possible. Roast that baby low and slow for 8 to 10 hours at 250 degrees. After we let our pork cool, we're going to remove any bones that are inside the butt. Then we're going to simply grab 2 forks and shred away. Time to assemble this Cuban. Let's cut our bread in half and hit it with some yellow mustard. Next, let's pile on our slow roasted pork, followed by the Swiss cheese and smoked ham. Now we're going to pop our sandwich in the oven just to warm everything up. No panini press? No problem. I want you to go outside and find the biggest brick you can. Come back inside, wrap it up in tinfoil, wrap it again, and voila! You now have yourself a panini press. Now let's get our sandwich out of the oven and ready for the press. Throw on your dill pickle slices and we're ready for liftoff. Go ahead and butter up your griddle or pan, as well as the top of your sandwich, because why the hell not? Get that bad boy on the heat, press into it with our brick, and leave it for a few minutes. After about 3 minutes on one side, go ahead and flip that bad boy over and continue to press until that Swiss cheese is melted and gooey. Cut at an angle to get those beautiful triangular pieces. And there you have it, guys, an authentic, delicious Cuban that you are going to absolutely love. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment below, and we'll catch you next time on Christian's Kitchen.